Hello, guys. I trust you're doing well today. Welcome to another exciting episode. Today, we are going to dive into a topic that is transforming lives and industries across Canada. Canada is experiencing a massive wave, of employment opportunities for migrant workers. And this is the reason why they are seeking for workers who are qualified to come and work in Canada. From skilled professionals to essential service providers, migrants workers are making significant contributions towards the growth of Canada's economy. And this is the reason why they have listed a number of agents who are providing visas and opportunities for people to settle in Canada temporary and also permanently. So it's not just that you're going to become a temporary worker, but you're also going to get permanent residency. So guys, if you're interested and you think that this is what you want, this video is going to cut across all those opportunities, okay? In this video, we are going to explore how Canada is opening its door and the types of jobs that are available and how you can apply to these jobs, okay? So I would like you to stay tuned and let us go over all this video and let us uncover how you can start the journey today and towards fulfilling your career. So I would like you to stay tuned. Do not break this video halfway. Ensure you go through this video. And again, if this video is something you like, please do not forget to give me a like, do not forget to share it, and do not forget to comment. I'd like to know where you're watching from, and I'd like to know your skills and how we will be able to support you. In this video, I'm going to take you through the exciting moment that will help you to achieve your dreams. Stay tuned as I take you through my screen and uncover the agents that are offering jobs in Canada. Let's go. The first agent I'm going to introduce to you is Vantage. Vantage is a reputable international workforce solution which is well known for recruiting migrant workers across the world, and they recruit migrant workers for Canada. So Vantage have made it known that you do not need to pay anyone for any money, and they do not have agent in your country. So don't listen to anyone who will tell you I'm an agent of Vantage and I'm gonna find you a job through Vantage, because they do not accept money. They're gonna do this for you free of charge, and the employer, of course, is gonna pay them for the agent fee. So if you're looking for a job, you can just click here and you can post your CV, and they will match you with any available job and contact you in due time. But then I will take you through their website and let's see all they have. Yeah, Recruitment Agency Canada for foreign workers. They've mentioned it that they are recruitment agencies for Canada, in Canada rather, for foreign workers, which means you don't need to ask me if they employ people from outside of Canada, because they recruit foreign workers to bring them to Canada. And that is where you can see this map, which shows people from Africa goes to Canada, people from Asia, people from America, and all the rest of them, Europe, they all move to Canada. That is what this map signifies. So I just want to take you through this step by step so that you have a great understanding, okay? Now, see, we are licensed across Canada, pioneering in recruitment foreign workers in Canada. So they are licensed what across Canada. Now that's for employers anyway. So you can see what they've written. Vantage International Workforce Solution INC has 17 years of experience recruiting foreign workers to help Canadian employers fill positions with well-suited foreign candidates. With us, you risk less. Thanks to our network of agencies and our screening process, the employees you hire are reliable and professional. So they're assuring the employers of what they can do. Now you can look at this. We are one of the first foreign recruitment agencies in Canada and pioneer in the field. We offer 3 months employment guarantees. We will meticulously pre-screen and interview the candidate through a rigorous. This is just what they're assuring the employer, and this is one of the. Now look at their current partners. So you can see the partners and loyal clients they have. A number of them, you can see there are many dots, which means there are many pages. Okay, all these guys are their partners, and many of them who ask them to hire for them. And these are the process of hiring foreign workers. So I won't go through this because I have a lot to show you. I mean, this is mainly for employers anyway. Yeah. So they say they connect employers with international workers. They are really reputable in what they do, and many people have testified about their reputation. So I can't tell you less of that because I've really made my research and I've seen that Work Vantage is one of the best work seeker you can ever think of. And you know, if you're a job seeker, you can just hit up this phone number and call them and say, "Come on, I'm a job seeker. I live in this place and I'm looking for a job in this area," and blah blah blah. And they will kickstart the process with you. Okay, and that is how you can start a process of migration. But if you don't want to call, just send them an email, send them a CV, and kickstart the process. That's about Work Vantage. Okay, so if you're looking for a job, you can hit up this button. Looking for a job, where it will prompt you to carry out other processes like submitting your CV, like getting an email sent to them, and even searching for a job, which would be helpful to you. So this is the job openings. If you click the seeking for a job, you get this job opening: light duty cleaner, general farm laborer, chef stocker, construction laborer, packager manufacturer, amusement park attendant, food service supervisor, veterinary assistant, amusement park attendant. You know, you can see all these jobs. So this shows you that even someone who is not a very skilled or who is a semi-skilled worker can get a job. Heavy duty mechanic, operator, and attendant of amusement park. So there are a lot of people for amusement park. Wow. Fabrication welder, food service supervisor, uh-huh. So you can see a lot of jobs there: industrial painter, mechanics, automotive service technician, poultry farm laborer, construction laborer, grain storage silos, amusement park attendant, cooks. So you can see these are all jobs, you know, semi-skilled jobs, installer, small engine mechanic, and a number of them. So you can go through any of these ones and apply for them. If you apply for them, Work Vantage is going to review your CV and they will get back to you according to your experience. See, all these jobs are actually meant for people who are seeking for a job and wants to move to Canada, and they are willing to employ. This is just in their call to employ you. So once they've seen that your CV meets up their criteria, they will employ you immediately. Next recruitment agents I would like to take you through is Express Employment Professionals. Yeah, they're also very reputable in what they do, and you can just hit up apply now and start making applications. But otherwise, as a job seeker, you can click here and search for a job. And once you do that, you can find a job and see the jobs which suits you. So let's just click at job seekers. And guys, see, these videos I'm making for you. If you don't move to Canada or even any other country, which I'm making this video, then you are not serious, because I am bringing out a number of agents that are seriously seeking for workers to come to work in Canada. So today I'm going to take you through about 8 agents, 7 or 8 agents. So it is up to you to take, you know, to bring out your time and do this. Many people tell me, Martin, can you just give me a short plug? Martin, can you get us an agent? Say, I'm not gonna waste my time. It means you're not serious, because I have given you information that you should kickstart and do it yourself. I'm not charging you money. I mean, I can charge you money and I will do it for you, and I will apply for these jobs. If I apply for these jobs for 2 3 months, I will fetch you one. If you have a good CV, of course, I'll help you to, handle that. But I don't want to do those things. I don't want to waste my time. I don't have that much time. I think that if you do it yourself, you'll be able to do it for someone else around you, and you will be able to save a lot of money for yourself. Then that will help you a lot. So, guys, this is a sick express employment professional. Also have some jobs. Okay, so you can come through. You say find a job of so if you are finding a job, you can hit up there, depending on the type of job. But just click here, find job openings. So it's going to take us to another window where they publish their jobs. Okay. Yeah. So this is what we have. So here you can filter. Let's say engineer. Uh, this I don't think it doesn't matter. Unlimited. You just go for limited location and you search. Okay. Yeah. So if you do that, it's gonna give you results of engineering job around. So if you look at the jobs in Express Employer Professionals, and even all the jobs we'll be seeing, you notice that some of them are for semi-skilled, some of them are for skilled and even unskilled workers. So even if you don't have a skill, you can come to Canada. If you're skilled, you can come to Canada. If you're semi-skilled, you can come. If you're super skilled, you can also come to Canada. Okay. So you can see the jobs I've opened, and here we have number of job I've just put engineer. So everything related engineering will come up here. Since machinist, if you're skilled, you can come to Canada. If you're semi-skilled, you can come. If you're super skilled, you can also come to Canada. Okay. So you can see the jobs I've opened, and here we have number of job I've just put engineer. So everything related engineering will come up here. Since machinist, yeah, since machinist, capital equipment sales, technical engineer support experts, technical engineer support expert, machine operator, architectural drafter, administrative assistant, relief operator, sales and training, project coordination, welder second shift, construction estimator, welds shop manager, well mate, well rights, direct hire, maintenance automation engineer, maintenance technician, third shift, and the salary is there for this 27 per hour. Okay, that's fine. Commercial sheet metal installer, CNC machinist operator, electrical controller technician, machinist, tool and die maker, blah blah blah. So you can see electrical engineer, a number of. I mean, I'm still far away from getting to it. So the question is, what are you waiting for, and why do you think you're not gonna come to Canada? Why do you think it's impossible? I mean, this one is just one of the website, and you can see the number of jobs that I can find, and these guys are hiring. Once they hire you, they proceed with your what's it called, with your residence permit. You're not gonna do anything. You're just gonna stay and let them do the job for you. The next one, which is Hayes. I mean, Hayes is very popular. It's an international recruitment agency, so you can go. This is Hey Canada. I mean, there's Hey US, Hey Australia, here and there. I mean, Middle East Asia and all that. So this Hayes Canada, I just decided to go to Hayes Canada so that I don't want to waste my time. Hayes also very wonderful and reputable company that helps you to search for your job. So all you need to do is to enter your key title. So I'm an engineer, so I like putting engineer. So let me just say name. Yeah. So if you search for engineer, you see they've got refrigeration engineer, lead mechanical engineer, system engineer, artificial intelligence engineer, knowledge graph engineer, senior mechanical engineer, big data engineer, site reliability engineer, AI engineer, programming and integration engineer, DevOps engineer, senior P and C engineer, mechanical engineer, engineering and maintenance manager, mechanical production engineer, electrical engineer. Oh, just keep going. You're gonna see them until you get tired of going through it. Okay, so this is what you're gonna find in Hayes. So, guys, why do you think you're not gonna find a job in Canada? Okay, let me leave engineers and search for another job. Maybe you may get confused and say this leave engineer. Let me say mechanic. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Now I'm searching for mechanic. Let's see. Racing license automotive technician, license automotive technician trailer, mechanical maintenance planner, mechanical advisor, mechanical engineer. Okay, engineers are combined with mechanic. Ah, so you just go through it and you see a lot of jobs. Okay. Okay, let's search for something as accountant. I just want to clear the air so that you don't feel. And I'm doing this online, not for you to think I did it before you, so that you can see the opportunities and see how you can key into it, man. You have to do this. Okay, property accountant, staff accountant, financial property accountant, accountant, you see. Let's just keep going. If I keep scrolling there, you see that a lot of jobs are still there. So any other field I go for, you're gonna see hundreds of jobs in that field. So why do you think you're not gonna make a job? Why do you just want to spend money and give to agent and you're fine? I mean, why don't you want to take the sweat to look for these jobs yourself and get it sorted out? So that is the question. Yeah, so the same way you can search for any other field. I'm not gonna do this. I have a lot to show you. You just have to move to Canada if you're really sure you wanna move to Canada. Next, I wanna talk to you about is Premier Visa and Immigration Services. These guys are not just gonna help you find a job. They are consultants. So if you don't want to go through job, you want to go through studies, or you want to go through PR, this is their job. they are into immigration consultancy. So that's what they do. In case they want an agent, so these are one of the guys you can contact and ask them to help sort out about your employment opportunity and about your migration to Canada. So I'm not gonna really waste much time on their stuff, but you can just come here as an for employment job seeker and you can see available positions, and that will help you to find a job which is being listed already in their website, and you can upload your CV here, okay, and just submit. Okay, let me upload someone's CV. I've got a lot of CVs on my system, and I will just go here. I have CVs, and I'm just gonna submit someone's CV. Oh, let me see. Can't find. Okay, let me just submit this, and I will just say I'm not a robot. Okay, and I'll submit it. This is just like sending out CVs. This is not, they're going to look at your CV and they will match you, okay? They're going to look at your CV and they will look at what Sarah have to say. Very professional and kind. Nicola was a great help and answered the questions to the many questions we had promptly. Very satisfied with this business, and we will use them again to recruit staff. So, see, this recruitment company that I've just written. Now you're gonna come in employment and you look at available position. The first one I did is for you to just drop your CV, and this is for you to see available positions. You can see what they have: cook, auto body repairer, software design engineer, baker, kitchen helper, food service supervisor, and blah blah blah. So you just go through and see what they've got. So the next I'm going to introduce to you is Godbeck. Godbeck is also international recruitment. All of them, like I told you, they're all reputable. So if you're a job seeker, you hit up here, job seeker. Oh, sorry. So you hit up job seeker, you're gonna see the areas they hire: manufacturing and operation, construction, not for profit, accounting, finance, executive search and consulting, and you can scroll down to see. So let me just go for manufacturing and operation. Okay, if I go for this as a job seeker, you're gonna see what they've written, and this is just like the profile and the jobs available: maintenance manager, trailer sales, management sales coordinator, plant manager, logistics sales executive. So you can go to the next page and you see what next they have. Just this way you can go through all the pages, okay? So the last one I would like to take you through is Kelly. Kelly is another wonderful job recruitment agency, and they do both temporary staffing and permanent staffing. So they also do direct hire and outside workforce management, business process outsourcing, and a number of other services which they offer. So if you want to find a job, you can hit up here, find a job, either of the place, you hit up find a job, and it's going to take you to the area where you can search for a job. So you can go to Kelly and find a job and apply for a job in Kelly. So guys, if you think that this video is helpful to you, do not forget to give me a like. But then I want to say something. If you do not find a job, if you want to go to Canada and you watch this video and you do not find a job, you didn't do your job, or you are not qualified, or you do not have a good CV. So it is important for you to make a good CV. Well, I don't have time, so I'm not willing to do CV for people, but I know of a group that does CV, so you can also write first Penman writer at gmail.com. First Penman writer will be happy to make your CV. I'll try to drop the email in my recruitment, or even on the screen or in the description section of the video. So I will encourage you to hit up first payment writer, have a good CV made for you. And apart from that, apply to as many jobs as possible that matches your profile. Don't waste your time with the ones that doesn't match your profile. And I assure you that definitely this year you will call me with a testimony. In fact, I have about three guys who made it last year and this year, within last year and this year, who have reached out to me. At least this year I've got three. Last year I've got one. So people are moving by watching video and by taking action. If you're not taking action and you're thinking I'm gonna do something like magic to get you there, it may not be quite easy and possible. So I wish you the best of luck and I hope you do it. Cheers. And